Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best massage lotion holsters is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked accessories for any professional or amateur massage therapist, ensuring that your essential massage lubricant is always within easy reach, readily accessible, and hygienically stored, thereby streamlining your workflow and enhancing the overall client experience by minimizing interruptions and maximizing therapeutic effectiveness, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining a seamless and professional massage session every single time. Number 5. Therapist's Choice 8-ounce Massage Oil Holster. Introducing the Therapist's Choice Massage Oil Holster, designed for ultimate convenience. It's the perfect accessory for any massage professional. This holster is designed to fit any 8-ounce bottle with ease. You can trust it to securely hold your preferred massage oil or lotion. Crafted from heavy-duty nylon, this pouch is built to last. It can withstand the demands of regular professional use. With an adjustable waist strap, it fits waists from 26 to 40 inches comfortably. The easy clip buckle and sliding adjuster make fitting a breeze. It even comes with a convenient bottle and pump, ready for immediate use. This all-in-one solution simplifies your mobile massage setup. What we like? This holster is designed for ultimate convenience, especially with its included pump bottle. If you frequently use 8-ounce bottles and value ease of dispensing, this is a great choice. It's perfect for therapists who need quick access to product without interruption. What people say. Holster and belt are well made. Bottle seems sturdy. Comfortable. Easy to adjust. Bottle works well. This bottle holder has a much thicker material than my previous. Bottle stays upright and doesn't sag forward while I'm wearing it like my previous did as well. Number 4. SITHON Massage Bottle Bag. Introducing the SITHON Massage Bottle Bag, designed for professionals. This holster is perfect for carrying your essential massage oils and lotions. It securely holds up to 2 bottles, ensuring they are always within reach during your sessions. Keep your workspace organized and efficient. The adjustable belt provides a comfortable and secure fit for all waist sizes. You can focus on your clients without any discomfort. With multiple pockets, you can keep other small tools and accessories organized. Everything you need is conveniently stored in one place. This bag features a durable black design that is both practical and professional. It's the perfect accessory for any massage therapist. This is the bag only, designed to maximize your efficiency and professionalism. Streamline your practice with this essential organizer. What we like? This option is ideal for professionals who carry multiple product types. If you need to keep 2 different lotions or oils readily accessible, this organizer is for you. Its multiple pockets also allow for small tool storage, making it a comprehensive solution for mobile therapists. What people say. It fits my bottles perfectly, feels sturdy, and keeps everything organized during sessions. Makes my setup so much easier and more efficient. I love all of the pockets. The size is perfect. It feels very durable. It holds my oils, my phone, and money. I like the fact it has more pockets you can use. Number 3. Huixin Massage Oil Holster. Introducing the Huixin Massage Oil Holster, designed for therapists. This holster allows you to quickly access your massage oils and emulsions during treatments. Ideal for beauty salons, hospitals, and as a thoughtful gift for physiotherapists, technicians, or nurses. It's a practical accessory for any professional. It features 3 pockets to organize your supplies. 2 large pockets accommodate bottles up to 2.36 inches in diameter and 9.45 inches in height, while 2 smaller pockets fit bottles up to 1.57 inches in diameter and 6.69 inches in height. A secure zipper pocket on the back, measuring 2.75 inches wide and 6.5 inches high, is perfect for storing personal items like keys, phones, or pens. The back includes a woven mark for your name or number, making it easy to identify. The adjustable strap fits waist from 27.5 to 46.5 inches, and it's recommended to hand wash for easy cleaning. What we like? With its thoughtful design featuring multiple pockets and a secure zippered compartment, this holster offers excellent organization. If you're looking for a way to keep not only your massage products but also personal items like keys and phones safe and accessible, consider this. The personalizable tag is a nice touch for professionals in shared spaces. What people say. They are very durable and cute overall. Great quality and the band fits nice around my waist. It scrunches at the top to keep my massage oil in place. Number 2. Eaasty 3 Sets Massage Bottle Holster. Introducing the Eaasty 3 Sets Massage Bottle Holster. This set includes adjustable single holsters and 8-ounce plastic pump dispenser bottles. The holsters are designed to be adjustable, ensuring a secure fit for your bottles. Keep your massage essentials within easy reach. It comes with convenient 8-ounce plastic pump dispenser bottles. These are perfect for lotions and massage oils. Easily dispense your favorite lotions or massage oils with the pump action. It's designed for a smooth and controlled application. The set features a sleek black design that complements any massage setting. It's both functional and stylish. This product offers a complete solution for organizing and dispensing your massage products. Enjoy a more efficient and professional massage experience. What we like. This product offers a practical solution with its adjustable single holster and included pump dispenser bottles. If you need multiple setups or want to ensure you always have a clean, functional dispenser, this set is a smart buy. It's great for practitioners who prefer to have their essential tools ready to go. What people say. Love the extra elastic band to keep the nozzle in place. The material is soft and durable. Nice looking bottles with a handy holster for massage oil, lotions, or gel. Once adjusted to your fit, the adjustment stays in place. The belt is nice and thick. The material also doesn't flake off like other holsters I've had. Number 1. EarthLite Massage Bottle Holster Single Kit. Keep your essential massage oils and lotions within easy reach. This holster is designed for convenience and accessibility during your treatments. The single kit comes complete with one 8-ounce bottle and a heavy-duty strap. Everything you need to get started is right here. Its heavy-duty strap ensures a secure fit, while the adjustable design accommodates various bottle sizes. You can trust it to hold your products firmly in place. Crafted for massage therapists, this holster streamlines your workflow. It allows for quick access without interrupting your client's experience. Made with durable materials, it's built to withstand daily use. Rely on it to keep your massage supplies organized and accessible, session after session. What we like. This kit provides a robust and adjustable solution for carrying your massage oil or lotion. If you prioritize durability and a secure fit for your 8-ounce bottle, this is an excellent option. It's designed for the rigors of professional use, ensuring your product stays put during treatments. What people say. After over a year of daily use, this EarthLite double holster is still holding up well, with only normal wear and tear beginning to show. It's simple, functional, and perfect for carrying both lotion and oil, essentials for any massage therapist. I like that the holster is double so there is a spot for my cream and lotion. Looks nice, fits well and expands good if you are a little bigger, good quality, bottles are nice and the pump tube goes all the way down so you don't feel like you are constantly running low. The bottle is good quality and the holster itself is amazing. Makes it much easier to give a massage, and it doesn't get in the way. So many I looked at were big and bulky, but this is a good size. It's good quality. So far I've had it for a few months and it hasn't shown any signs of damage. Very handy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.